In this video, I'll show you how to create a quick and easy WordPress pop-up form. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to install two plugins. So scroll right here on your left sidebar until you can see the option for plugins, then click on this Add New. So when you have clicked on that, you should be able to see the WordPress Marketplace. Now on this WordPress Marketplace that you should be able to see right here, you should be able to see some sort of search bar, just like this one. Now in this, let's just head over and search in here for contact form. Now let's try to search for this right here. And then you should install this contact form by WP Forms. So I've already installed it and it's active. Now for a second plugin, we need to install something called Popup Maker. So let's search in here for this, and we should be able to see that particular application. So here it is right here. Make sure to install it and make this active. Now once you have installed those two plugins, scroll on again on your left sidebar until you can see the option for WP plugins or WP forms. So here it is. Click on it. And then once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the dashboard for that particular application. Now, as you can see, I've already created a form, but if you want to create a new form, we can head over and click on this Add New right here. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to choose the template. So you can enter your form name here, or you can just select in here a pre-made form. So for example, for this one, let's head over and use this girlfriend application form. Click on this Use Template right here, and then this will open this particular form, and you should be able to edit this once it's done loading. So just edit it out to your heart's desire, and then once you have done that, click on the save option right here once you're done editing. Once you have saved that, let's head back again to our WordPress dashboard. And now on our WordPress dashboard, we should be able to see in here our Popup Maker. Click on this Popup Maker right here, and then you can also see another options, which is a lot, and you have in here this pop-up. So for this one, let's head over and then try to create a new pop-up. Click on this right here. Let's skip this tour. Click on this right here. And then once you have done that, this will load into a new page. So you can put in here the ID that can help you remember. So for example, let's put in here girlfriend. So it's just random name. So you can put in here whatever you want, which makes you remember it. And you can put in here the title, but this one is optional. And you can add in here a form. So for example, for this one, let's add a form. And then let's select the form that we have, which is the girlfriend application form, which we made earlier. Click on this add form right here. Then as you can see, it's been added just like this. Then scroll down until you can see this publish option. Click on this publish. And you can also set triggers. Like for example, click on this add new trigger right here, and you can click open, or you can also choose a lot more pop-ups that is available to this one. It totally depends on you which you want to do for this. Once you have done that, we have actually created this form right now, and it will soon be embedded in any page that you want to add it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We'll try our best to answer. Thanks.